So we are starting something new here on the channel. It's great to see you guys. Thanks for coming back. We are starting something that I am going to call C Plus Health. Now, the reason that I've decided to start this now is because of some information that's coming out from the White House, and it regards diabetes. Just about every single study out there points to the fact that diet and exercise control diabetes. And it's really important for us to go ahead and remember that our lives are in our control and that we have that responsibility. That responsibility is so important for students, for teachers, for just everyone in life. Responsibility makes us happy. And so we're going to be focusing on some article information that has recently come out. Dr. Fatima Cody Stanford, who is a doctor that's supposed to be specializing in obesity medicine at Mass General Health in Boston. She went on 60 Minutes, and she's also part of the current administration. She says that diet and exercise have very little impact on diabetes, and that this is a direct quote: the number one cause of diabetes is genetics. That means that if you were born to parents that have obesity, you have a 50 to 85% likelihood of having the disease yourself, even with optimal diet, exercise, sleep management, stress management. So this doesn't really make sense to me at all, because diabetes, pre-diabetes, this is type 2 diabetes we're talking about, they improve when we exercise. They improve when we eat healthy. And for a physician to say that, I don't think that they have data. I really don't think that there's any data out there that shows that people who come from families of diabetes, who have lived a strict, healthy lifestyle, still have diabetes, are still overweight, are still suffering from type 2 diabetes when they're running marathons, when they're biking, when they're eating enough fiber, when they're drinking the recommended amount of water, when they're adding healthy salts to their diet. I don't think that that information or those studies are out there. So for a physician to just sort of say that because of dietary trends, it really doesn't make sense at all. So I wanted to start this, which I'm calling C Plus Health, because really being healthy, controlling your weights, making small little steps in your health isn't super tough. And it's not that you have to change all of the things in your life. I'm going to be talking about small little changes. And if at the end of the day, you've had kind of a, C plus day, not the best of days, not the most healthiest of days, but you've done a pretty good job, then you're going to be seeing changes and gains in your health, and you're going to be incorporating those healthy practices into your life, which when those are incorporated into your life, they're going to extend outward for the rest of your life, and that will be very impactful. And a number of C plus days are going to equal you being healthy. Right? So what ends up happening is that as we live our lives, we have too many D minus F times of the year, and slowly weight creeps on, and then we might go extremely healthy for a while, but then we fall back. And so what we're trying to do in this series is just talk about ways to make your life a little bit better and gain a little bit more control over your life. Most people that end up a little overweight, a lot overweight, they're trying to do stuff that's going to benefit them. And they're trying to do stuff that, helps them out. Our lives are busy. There's other stressors. We have different things to think about. We have work deadlines. There are a lot of different things that sort of get in the way of being healthy, and they're always going to be there. So what I'm going to be talking about are simple strategies that you can just plug into your life and benefit from it. I hope you enjoy this series. I'm excited about it. Super ready to go ahead and come on out here, have a good time, and just talk about the small little changes that we can make each and every day to make our lives better. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you for liking. Once we hit 1,000 subs, then I'll be going ahead and releasing one video a week talking about our health, and hopefully getting on this channel as well as it grows, and continue to talk about all of the small little changes, all of the ways that we can go ahead and help ourselves to be the best that we can be. So yeah, thank you. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the subscriptions, and welcome to a C+ lifestyle. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.